Okay, everybody. Hello. So I'm in my backyard. We have this I guess it's an entertainment hot tub that I'm using as a pool to get a little rejuvenation in. I do have a bathing suit on, even though it's topless. But I wanted to share with you some body freedom secrets for bathing suit season, because I know if you're anything like me, I know at times it hasn't always felt super comfortable to go buy that new bathing suit, get in the dressing room, and it obviously for me for many, many years, or I shouldn't say obviously, let me share with you, for me, back in the day when I had some body confidence issues and I was overly critical, it would, definitely trigger me. So here are some body confidence tips and body freedom tips for bathing suit season. So there's 3 keys, 3 tips that I'm going to be sharing with you. Let me wave at you. I love these cool little things. So if you would like some tips, go ahead and thumbs up or heart this. And if you'd love to feel even more confident, even before you release any weight or gain any weight or change anything at all about your body, the whole point of body confidence and these tips is to create freedom now, to help you live in the present moment, to help you suck the marrow out of life and out of this current time that we have to live in this incredible body temple, because you have one body. You're not going to get another one. And so we want to make sure that we enjoy the life that we've been given and the body that we've been given. So here are 3 keys, all right? 3 body confidence keys for bathing suit season. So key number 1 is to know that being bikini ready is a total myth. Now, I'm not saying don't have fitness goals and goals to increase your strength and stamina and cardiovascular and flexibility, and that's all great. But to think that somehow you got to have a bikini ready body, or it's not okay to get into a bikini or any kind of a bathing suit, then I think that's a total myth. So what I would say to that is that no body type deserves to be adorned in any kind of bathing suit more than any other kind. So being bikini ready, or for the guys, you don't have to have 6-pack abs. That's also a myth. Just wear that body of yours with confidence, step out and just know that no one's really looking. Everybody's more worried about their own selves than they are really staring at any part of our body, and that our own self-consciousness around that is really just our own stuff. And to release that, leave that at home, say, I'll pick you back up when I get back, and just go out and enjoy the physicality and the gifts and the abilities that your body gives you. All right, so body confidence and body freedom key number 2 is to choose a bathing suit that makes you feel comfortable. As I've been everything from a size 2 to a size 12 or 14, as I've had babies and my body has changed over the years, I have learned that, just grab something that fits, grab something that's not too tight around the butt, around the middle, or around anywhere else, and just enjoy the physical body that you have. And so for me, some of the things that I've, grabbed to help me feel really comfortable in my body and to not, feel like I'm too out there, depending on what's going on for me, is maybe grabbing a sarong or a skirt or leggings or a shawl. Guys, if there's any part, you could just throw on a shirt. They have water shirts these days. If you're, if it just helps you feel more secure, just put something on that you can feel comfortable with. I have a girlfriend who was a little bit self-conscious about her thighs, and she was coming with me to Tulum. I take clients on a wellness retreat to Tulum, Mexico, and she found these really cool water-like leggings. And, I think she had like a tank top on the top and these cool water leggings on the bottom. And that way she, it just wasn't a thing. She wasn't thinking about it, Not that she had to, none of us would have cared. She could have worn a itty bitty skimpy bikini. She could have worn a full body wetsuit. We didn't really mind. It's just what helps you feel more comfortable. So tip number 2 is to, pick a swimsuit or something that's going to help you feel comfortable, and then wear whatever, accessories around it help, right? So they've got all kinds of cool things. They've got longer skirts. They've got things that cover the middle. They've got all kinds of greatness to help you feel comfortable. Now, my key number 3 is to remember what I feel, and this is really what's transformed my life, is to stop looking at my body as some sort of an object to carve and to mold and to fix or to change in any way, but to really remember that my body is this beautiful sacred temple and this chalice for my soul. I only get and you only get one body, so let's enjoy it. Let's, suck the marrow out of aliveness today and really enjoy this incredible body that we've been given. And it really is your masterpiece. It's not an object, it's a masterpiece. And to trust that your higher power, that my higher power has given us the perfect body to be the vehicle for our life's experiences and for everything that we're here to experience. I love Ruth St. Dennis's quote, which is that the body is a receiving and transmitting station for life itself, and to render it responsive and to really get to know this incredible body temple. So my last little tip is that you throw on whatever's comfortable. If it's an itty bitty polka dot bikini, you don't have to have a certain size, shape, or weight to feel worthy of it. Or if you want to throw on long sleeves, like my dad's so cute. He's not, I wouldn't say cute. I would say he's been committed to his skin his whole life. And he was the one that would slather, like the the sunblock. And I am wearing sunblock, by the way, but the slather on the kind that like doesn't rub in, like it's so white because it's like 80, because he's always, and he's kept himself healthy and his skin healthy all these years. But we'll go to the beach with him and he'll literally wear full, like almost like a turtleneck, and long pants, and he'll go full on into the water with long shirts and long pants, whether it's that or it's like a bikini bottom, guys, or whatever it is. Let's just enjoy our life. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the lake. Let's go to the swimming hole. Let's go to the the hot springs. Let's enjoy this body and all that it has to offer us. And you don't need to change anything. That doesn't mean that I'm not seeking health and vitality and strength and stamina and all of that in my body. I am, but I'm no longer whipping it into shape in ways that are unhealthy. I'm no longer no rest and all work, no rest and play. And I seek more harmony, more balance, and absolutely much more love. And that unconditional love for myself and my body is what gives me body confidence, is what gives me body freedom. And it has helped me create and live a life I love living. So woohoo for body freedom and body confidence. And my encouragement to you is to take whichever one of these tips really serves you to be able to go out and live your life and create a life you love living. So thanks for indulging me today. And I look forward to seeing you out confidently in your bathing suit, swimsuit, whatever you choose to wear, to support yourself in creating the confidence and the freedom you would love. Bye for now.